For some reason, after adding my ad groups, when I try to add my keywords, all the ad groups I just added disappear. Okay, I've never heard that before or seen that before. It could be a glitch on Google. If that is the case, then you need to get in touch with the Google support. Do I need to hit save somewhere to save the ad groups before moving on to the steps of adding keywords and audiences? Okay, so Google's interface keeps changing, so I don't know which interface you got now. They have made different sections where you just set up the campaign settings and the bids and the budgets, and then you keep moving to the next step. The old way of setting up the campaigns was all a one big, long um, kind of a form, which was quite, I wouldn't say confusing, but some people were overwhelmed with all of that information. So now they've broken them down into sections, which is quite easy because then you just focus on one or two things at a time and then you just keep on moving it. We use the Google Ads editor every day, all the time, because that's where you don't need to worry about all these things happening. All you do is Google Ads editor is a desktop tool which will make your workflow 10 times faster. It will change your life literally when it comes to running Google Ads. One of the best tools out there. Of course, it is for free of charge and it works on both Mac or PC. So I would highly recommend that you download that piece of app and try running it that way. If this keeps on happening, then you won't waste any more time.